A nation's ability to grow economically depends on its roads. A nation's highways can show how strong its economy is. Road construction projects are vital in the construction industry. Ladies and gentlemen, join us in today's video as we dive into the 10 satisfying road construction machines in the world. 10. SD115B. It's a strong and dependable soil compactor produced in Germany that's utilized for labor-intensive earth compaction operations so that roads can be built on stable ground. The rollers and vibration frequency can be adjusted to match the kind of soil. Its roller is 7 feet, or 2 meters, in width by 5 feet, or 1.5 meters, in diameter, and it weighs 11.3 tons while it is in use. Its 150 horsepower engine and traction system enable it to navigate rough and inclining terrain. 9. Contour 700 TPK. Thermoplastics and fast-drying enamels are applied to concrete or asphalt roads using a self-operating road painting system made in Belarus. It can paint lines up to 15 inches, 40 centimeters, broad and has sprayers on both sides of it. It has a length of 19 feet, or 5.7 meters, a weight of 3.5 tons, and 2 seats. Its engine generates 84 horsepower, and its fuel capacity is 26 gallons, or 100 liters. It can paint highways at a speed of 3 miles per hour and has a paint tank that contains 92 gallons, 350 liters, 5 kilometers per hour. Eight. Cat 24M. It is a sizable, powerful motor grader produced in the U.S. that is used to level the land when building roads and paths for mining activities. It functions by using its blade to scrape the ground and dragging the material to another place. It is 73 tons in weight and 55 feet, 17 meters in length. Its 535 horsepower engine can go at a speed of 26 miles per hour, 42 kilometers per hour. The blade can operate at a depth of 21 inches and is 24 feet, 7.3 meters, long, 55 centimeters. 7. Wergen 250. It is a German-made machine that recycles dirt and is used to stabilize soil while building roads or motorways. Each day, 130,000 square feet, 12,000 square meters, of soil are stabilized using a grinding roller. It weighs 30 tons and has a working width of 8.2 feet, 2.5 meters, and a depth of 20 inches, 50 centimeters. It can go 7.5 miles, 12 kilometers, per hour thanks to its 770 horsepower engine. The cost and building time are reduced by this device. 6. 5700D Power Curbers. It is the latest era American-made concrete slipform paver that is employed for several tasks, including the construction of curbs and road barriers. 20 feet, 6 meters, long and 11.2 tons in weight. It has a small design that enables it to be readily transported to various building sites, a 130 horsepower engine, a working breadth of 8.2 feet or 2.5 meters, and a maximum speed of 49 feet or 15 meters per minute. Construction time can be reduced because of this machine's ability to undertake difficult tasks with ease and accuracy. 5. Commander 3. It is a substantial concrete formwork paver that was created in the United States and is employed to construct walkways, curbs, and traffic barriers. Its engine generates 114 horsepower, and its top speed is 36 feet, 11 meters per minute. It is 9.1 meters, 30 feet, long and 13.3 tons in weight. Its size and hydraulic technology allow it to create obstacles that are 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. Road barriers can be built with this equipment, reducing the duration of the project and the amount of traffic disruption. 4. GP4 Slipform Paver. It's a sizable American-made concrete slipform paver designed to spread the concrete evenly and in a single pass on huge construction jobs. It is utilized to construct high-caliber roads, including motorways and airport runways. It features a straightforward control panel in addition to effective diagnostic and location systems. It weighs 40 tons and can pave at a rate of 20 feet, 6 meters, every minute for a width of up to 40 feet, 12 meters. For each task, its external measurement is changed. 3. P6870 DABG. It is a brand new, lightweight paver that was created in Sweden. It is quite versatile and perfect for use on city streets and highways. With a capacity of 700 tons per hour, it can pave roads up to 30 feet, 9 meters broad. It is 14 tons in weight and 21 feet, 6.4 meters in length. It has a diesel engine with 175 horsepower and can go 12 kilometers per hour, 20 kilometers per hour. It can continuously asphalt for 10 hours and has a 13-ton hopper. 2. MT3000 2i. It is a German-manufactured high-performance rotating belt feeder that is developed to provide a high flow of uniform material in a variety of applications. It is 50 feet, 14.33 meters, in length and weighs 25 tons. It includes laser detection equipment in addition to a complete control panel with many features. It functions by processing the material in its hopper and feeding it to the paver machine through an oscillating belt. It can continuously feed a paver machine big props to its 215 horsepower engine. One. Super 3000 2. It is a sizable asphalt paver machine made in Germany that is intended to accelerate the completion of large road building projects by uniformly distributing and tamping the material. It functions by evenly spreading and compacting the material, leaving the finished road in one pass. It can pave roads up to 52 feet or 16 meters wide and has a 400 horsepower motor. Its length is 23 feet or 7 meters and its weight is 32 tons. It functions in concert with the material feeder and is capable of paving roads up to 16 meters, 52 feet in width. This brings us to the end of the video. Comment below the next machines you want to see, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Very important.